Hello English learners and welcome our second video where we're going to talk about collective nouns for people. If you have missed the first video, I will leave you a link so you can watch it later. Let's get it started. The first word we're going to look at today is group. A group is a number of people who are put together or considered as a unit, a group of people. For example, the diverse group of people shared different perspectives on the topic. The second word is class. A class is a group of students who are taught together at school, college, or university. For example, the entire class of students was excited for the school trip. The third word is a band. A band is a group of people who share interests or beliefs or who have joined together for a specific purpose. For example, a band of musicians or a band of supporters. For instance, the band of musicians performed a captivated concert. The next word is a crowd. A crowd is a large group of people who have come together. For example, the crowd of visitors cheered loudly at the sports event. The following word is a gang. A gang is a group of young people, especially young men, who spend a lot of time together, often fighting with other groups or behaving badly. So here we're talking about a gang of friends, or we can talk about a gang of criminals. For example, the close-knit gang of friends always has each other's backs. The following word is a crew. A crew is a group of people who work together, especially all those who work on or operate a ship or an aircraft. For example, a crew of sailors, a cabin crew, but we can also talk about an ambulance crew or a TV crew. For example, the crew of sailors sail the ship across the ocean. The next word is a choir. A choir is a Latin origin word, that's why we pronounce it this way. A choir means a group of people who sing together. A choir of singers. For instance, the talented choir of singers gave a breathtaking performance. The following word is a committee. A committee is a small group of people, representatives, who are chosen to represent a large organization to make decisions or to collect information for it. A committee of members. For instance, the committee of members discuss the future plans for the community. The next word is family. A family is a group of people related to each other, such as a mother, a father, their children, a group of relatives. For instance, the family gathered for a heartwarming reunion. And what about you? How often do you gather with your family? The last collective noun I'm bringing today is team. A team is a number of people who do something together as a group. For instance, a team of players when we talk about sports, football team, baseball team. But we can also have team at work, so our working team or our work team. For example, the team of players work together to win championship. This is the end of our video. I hope you found it useful for you. If you've got other examples of collective nouns, I invite you to write them down in the comment box. For more videos like that, follow my channel.